Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your players in eFootball. So it's pretty simple. So over here you can see the arrow right beside your player. So whichever direction this arrow is pointed at, that is the next player you're going to switch into. So for this video, first I'm going to throw this ball away. So over here, let's say your enemy team or your enemy player has the ball. So in this case, the enemy has the ball. So let's say I want to switch my player. To switch my player, I need to point the arrow at the direction of which player I need. So I'm going to point the arrow and click on switch. You can see the switch button at the bottom of your screen. Click on switch, and that is how we guys can switch player. So I'm going to switch and I'm going to take the ball. Now the other way to switch player is to pass the ball. So if I pass the ball, whichever player has the ball, that is the player I'm going to be controlling like this. I pass the ball to this player. Now this player is the one which I'm controlling. So whichever player has the ball, that is the player I will be controlling. That is one way to switch player. So I hope you understand how you guys can switch players in eFootball. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel. Want to stay for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, have a nice day.